You hear that noise? Sure you did. That's a volcano warning siren for Mount Rainier. That's just a recording I have of it. And that's to warn everybody that the volcano's going to blow off. And if you live down in the valley, which is over from where I live, you can scamper up the hill before the, stuff comes off the mountain. You don't want to get caught in that stuff. And I thought, they need a warning sign for all these doggone hurricanes that blow in. And I thought, what could be better than this? And I hope those Germans don't give me a copyright strike. See, it would start out like that, and then everybody would get alerted. And then just play that over and over until everybody scampers inland, away from the water.